Previously on
my wash day routine. And it has been in this 100% cotton t-shirt for a couple of hours, so now it feels about 50% dry. So I'm going to moisturize my hair and just style it in some big twists. But I wanted to experiment with something. This has been the one-man show I've been using to moisturize my hair for the past, I would say, 6 months. And so when I went to restock on it, it wasn't there. So I decided to pick this up, which is the Lala Defining Curl Custard. Now this is a custard and this is a curl whip. So we're gonna test them out and see. First, and Jackie, I don't like the scent of this. I don't like it. It doesn't have like those scent that the others brand have, but I love the texture of this. This is more of a thick buttery, like frosted whipped cream consistency, very thick peak whipped cream consistency, still pliable, still able to maneuver whatever. And then this one, the Curl Lala, it has this kind of a fruit punch, a light fruit punch smell, and the texture is about the same. I would say maybe a bit lighter, but it's about the same. This one feels more buttery, as in more like a stiff peak when it comes to whipped cream, compared to whipped cream, and this one feels like it just whipped. But yeah, we're gonna test them out. So as I said, I'm going to be doing some twists, some big twists, just to protect the style to last for a week or so. So what I'm going to do is take down the back and split it in two, but I want to part it down. Okay, so this side will be the curl main tenons and this side will be the curl Lala. So let's go with the curl main tenons. Just a little bit. With this one here, the slip on this is about, I would say, 9 out of 10. The moisture level is also like 9 out of 10. The scent, it doesn't have a bad scent, but it doesn't have like a fruity or like the scent that the deep conditioner has. So the scent is 5 out of 10. Just a little bit more. I normally do add like some sort of oil to seal it in. That's just it. I don't really do much to moisturize my hair anymore. After years of just doing the lap method, I just lapped and did my own method, which was me. Okay, still needs a bit more, but we're just gonna leave it like that. And let's go on to this side. I have my damp t-shirt, so I'm gonna wipe my hands off. And if I wipe my hands off, I'm not putting it in the microwave. Let's try this one here. About the same amount. Yeah, this is lighter. I can tell it's lighter. Okay, let's add a little bit more to it. maintenance, because the color is giving it a run for the money. But it's not about defining colors, it's about moisturizing. So that's the most important. You can clearly see that this is more defined, right? I need to feel it because confused. This is nice. It feels very nice. Like what? They both feel very nice. I don't see the difference in the feelings. They both feel very moisturized. But this one is a defining color custard. It says say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls and lifeless coils. Define shape and control coils, waves, coils and braid out. Curls, waves, coils and braid out while adding moisture, shine and natural conditioning. That is the color and the curl maintenance. Aunt Jackie's moisture rich recipe radically transform dry, flyaway frizzy curls that are prone to swell with long-lasting definition, softness, and shine. Help to tame the unruly mane. Now, with all that said, the only thing that can really pick the winner is coming up. As I say, this one here, the slip, amazing. Moisture, amazing. So we have to put this to the test. Let's try this one. Honestly, feeling it now, this feels a bit more moisturized. It feels like, yeah, this feels like it's still, maybe the section is bigger. No, this feels like it's still in some moisture. Kind of like Titanga. It's a sad day. I think you should see it for yourself. Right? It's very smooth. It's not as smooth gliding through. I've been using one thing all your life. You might not know that there's something better out there. This is great, but this has the scent, the moisture, and the slip. So I'm confused. But even though I'm confused, this side is the winner. The color is the winner. So I'm gonna put some of the color on this side just to enhance that moisture and see if what happens. Right, and just because equal rights, I'm gonna put some of his hair so one will not be left. And I'm just gonna seal it in with some castor oil. So here's how I'm gonna do it. Just because I'm putting a little bit of this in my hand called maintenance, right? I have my t-shirt and then equal amount as much as possible. Mix it. The back is finished. I'm gonna turn around. I cannot see behind the back of my head, so no judgment. So in total, I think I have 10 twists at the back of my head. I think I want 6 in front, so 16. I'm gonna do the front off camera and I'll come back and do the end of the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. Let me know. I'm gonna put a question quiz in the description somewhere down below, so you guys can let me know which one of the Aunt Jackie's calls and calls product you prefer. If you prefer the call maintenance one or the defining call method, let me know. And we are done. I feel like for some reason this helps to elongate my hair. So we'll see what happens. But I'll try to put the links of all of these products that I've used and also the fenugreek, not the powder, the seed, because the seed is a lot messier. Not the shampoo nor the conditioner because they are just cheap shampoo and conditioner. So I'll try to link everything in the description box. Do not forget to check for the quiz to decide which one you would prefer or which one you like better. That is it. I hope you guys enjoy this two-part routine and I'll see you guys in the next video.